name is SIVA BANDLA. I belong to Andhra Pradesh. Basically, belongs to Andhra Pradesh. Before joining Jspiders, I didn't have any knowledge on technical skills. After joining Jspiders, I have improved my skills because here the teachers will, the trainers will teach from the scratch. So every student can learn from the scratch, and a student who joins Jspiders can become zero to hero. And I would like to thank all the HRs and faculty of the Jspiders, and especially I would like to thank Anupma ma'am for adding me this requirement and teaching me Java, and Pawan sir, I would like to thank Pawan sir also for adding me this requirement and grooming me and teaching me Java. Once again, thank you, Jspiders Hebbal.